So you can go from this nasty, disgusting brush to this. Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina here in the Hair Lounge. So I'm gonna ask you guys a serious question. When was the last time you cleaned your hairbrush? Be honest. I'll be honest with you. I am horrible about cleaning my hairbrushes. Not when I'm working in the salon. I'm really good at obviously cleaning my hairbrushes when I have my clients, but my personal hairbrushes get disgusting. Look at those. So I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to clean your hairbrushes and how often you should do them. Stay tuned and we'll get right into this video. So if your hairbrush is looking like mine, what are the ways you can clean it? Super easy, doesn't take a lot of time. I'm gonna show you. You need to make sure before you clean these brushes, you're removing all of the hair. So I'm gonna show you a couple different ways to clean the brushes. You can take a regular comb and run it along these bristles. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna get all that hair from being caught inside that brush. They also have some kind of cool wire, kind of bristly looking brush cleaners that you can use, but honestly, a comb works great. So you just kind of run it along and you can see, oh, this needs to be cleaned. So once you get all the hair out, that's all you need to do. That's step one. Same with my paddle brush. You can take the comb sideways and just run it along to loosen up all of that hair. Gross. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and tell me, when was the last time you cleaned your brush? I know it's been a while for me. You really should clean your brushes, at least removing the hair like this, every single time you use them. If you're not doing it every single time you use them, you should at least go ahead and clean them out once a week. Then you need to make sure you're cleaning your brushes. And I use a shampoo mixture. So the shampoo, it just needs to be gentle enough for your brushes so you're not ruining your brushes. I'm gonna show you at my sink, but you can do this in your bathroom sink of how to clean them. You're just gonna use warm water, a couple pumps of your shampoo that you use, and you're gonna let it soak. But I do wanna tell you, if you have like a paddle brush like this, or if the brush is wooden, you do not want to submerge your brush, because obviously it's made out of wood. It's gonna warp your brush. So you wanna just get the brush in there, take the other brush, scrub it to clean it really, really good. And then you're gonna pull the brush out. You just let your brushes air dry. So that is for your wooden brushes. If you don't have wooden brushes and you have more like these type of plastic brushes, let it sit in for at least 5 minutes. And I'm gonna show you an easy way to get all the way down into the inside of that brush to make sure you're getting all that dry shampoo, all of that hairspray, just kind of the little particles or dry scalp in your brushes. I'm gonna show you how you can remove those very, very easily. So don't forget, if you like what you see, now is the perfect time to hit that red subscribe button. And if at the end of this video you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up. It definitely helps me out knowing that you guys are liking what you see. So you can go from this nasty, disgusting brush to this. I've already cleaned this one out and you can see there is no hair in that brush. Well, I lied. There's a tiny little piece of hair right there that didn't quite come out. But this puppy is clean. No hairspray and no dry shampoo. So you're gonna be using your bathroom sink. This is my salon sink, so I'm gonna just use this one, but you're gonna need warm water, and then I'm going to take just my normal shampoo. So this one it's for like color treated or damaged hair, so it's a little bit softer and it has some really good kind of conditioning properties. So make sure you're using a gentle shampoo on your brushes. They do have brush cleaners, in the salon we use Barbicide, but this will be fine at home. Use warm water and fill your sink up. While the water is filling up, you're gonna do like 2 pumps of your shampoo inside the bowl or your sink. Then you're gonna kind of swish it around so you get all those suds. And this is when the brushes are going in. So you wanna let these sit for roughly about 5 minutes. I will tell you, like I said, with that synthetic or boar bristle brush, it was kind of hard to get in there. So what I like to do is I like to take another synthetic or boar bristle brush, put it in the water, and just rub the brush along that kind of spine of your brush. And then you can do it to all your other brushes. So this is going to ensure that you are getting all the way to that plastic. Then 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
After that 5 minutes is up, go ahead and drain your sink. Then you're gonna wanna run these brushes or combs underneath warm water again. And just rinse them all out. Then if you see any loose hairs, pull those hairs out. And then you're gonna set them aside and let them air dry. Look how easy it was to clean those brushes. Again, make sure you're doing this at least once a week. If you can't get to it once a week, at least do it once a month. If you're not cleaning your brushes and your hair is clean, you're taking all that leftover dry shampoo, hairspray, and you're putting it right back in your hair. So you're dirtying up that clean hair that you just took all that time in the shower to clean. So make sure you are cleaning those brushes. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.